What is a product owner, and how are they different from a project manager? So what often happens is in organizations that you have somebody who takes care of what do we have to have, and this could be a product manager or someone else in the organization, and they write everything down and then they give it to a project manager and tell him this is what you have to deliver, and then they often get time constraints and budget constraints on top of that, and then basically we have this project management triangle: scope, schedule, budget. And then as a good project manager, you would deliver on time, on scope, and on budget. Now, the classical way of thinking is very much output oriented. You deliver what's specified, and as long as you deliver that, everything should be fine. But the question is often, can you deliver everything on time, on scope, on budget, and still fail as an organization? And the sad answer is yes, you can, because if you have built the wrong thing, nobody will buy it. Or maybe you have built the right thing, but the environment has changed. So you deliver the wrong thing at the wrong time, essentially. All of these things are kind of hidden in this approach that we write something down and we give it to a project manager. So in regards to Scrum is that we make this triangle and we break it out and say, well, there are some aspects then are product focused, value focused towards our end users. And then there are other elements which have something to do with the way we work, our process, and organize ourselves internally. Now, this internally working part in Scrum actually goes towards the Scrum Master, and the value, the product focus resides with the product owner. And the interesting thing is, if we go into the Scrum guide, the term project manager appears not once, zero. Because in Scrum, we do not have a project manager. We absolutely respect the activities being performed by a project manager, but not the role. Because the activities, if you set up Scrum correctly, are either covered by the product owner, by the Scrum Master, or by the developers. There could be the odd thing out there which might not be addressable by the Scrum team as it's set up right now, and then you would have it externally. But overall, we spread the activities of classical project management into the Scrum team.